In this video, we'll talk about the techniques needed by the project manager. The first technique is called fishbone diagram. It's also called Ishikawa and cause and effect diagram. This is an example for you. It's a Japanese technique, I believe, was first time used by Toyota company. The second one is called 5 whys, which is a problem-solving method used to uncover root causes by using why multiple times. It's also used to determine the underlying reasons. If you have an issue and you need to find the root cause, you ask 5 questions, 5 consecutive questions. Example, why are we not selling more? Because we are not able to purchase more. Why we are not able to purchase more? Because we have not reached our production capacities. Why we are not reaching our production capacities? Because we do not have enough developers. Why we do not have enough developers? Because we have used the budget for training. Why have we used the budget for training? The CFO cut it in order to save money. So this is the root cause. But when we say 5 why, it does not mean we will ask 5 questions, literally 5. Sometimes you get to the root cause after asking 4 or 3 questions. And maybe you need to ask more than that. SWOT analysis, a technique for analyzing internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. So this is helpful while this is harmful, and this is internal, S and W are internal, O and T are external. That's how they are categorized. And there is an example for you also here. It's a powerful technique, especially if you want to find the weaknesses and opportunities, threats and strengths of your organization. Risk register, very important topic, so be careful with this one, with this topic. The risk register contains the individual risks that were identified during the risk identification process, whether they are threats or opportunities. So risk can be positive or negative. And remember that we are planning, we are in the planning phase, and this is a continuous process. But we have to distinguish between risk and issue. Issue is a current thing. Risk is something we are expecting to happen in the future. The risk register is updated with the outcome of the qualitative analysis process and the outcome of the process of planning and implementing responses and monitoring risks. Now, each risk has a response, so we have to monitor that. And also we have to do qualitative and quantitative analysis. Qualitative is where we show the risk description, where as it shows here it's low, medium and high, which is just a description of the quality of the risk. Quantitative, where it shows monetary values. Issue log. Issue log. The issue log is updated when a negative risk has already occurred during execution. The issue log is updated when any problem occurs in the project. So the first thing we do when an issue happens is to log the issue. Second step is to assign someone to that issue, to an issue owner. Then we'll try to find the root cause of the issue and check the impact of the issue. So you will get many questions in the exam, a few maybe, that will ask you, we have an issue right now, what are we going to do next? The first step we do is to log the issue. Keep that in mind, please. The issue log is a document where information about issues is recorded and monitored. It is used to track problems, inconsistencies, conflicts that occur during the life cycle of the project and require investigation towards the resolution. And require investigation to work toward the resolution. Lessons learned. Lessons learned register is the record of lessons learned. It is updated as a way out of risk management process to see which effective tools were used during risk identification.